Hello, this is Paul with Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan, and today we're looking at stock number 24768. This is a really cool 2012 Toyota Sienna with a third row seat and a power driver transfer seat. You can literally drive this vehicle if you're in a wheelchair without having anyone help you. With a push of a button, you can enter the back of the vehicle, you can transfer into the driver's seat and take off. If you need some hand controls, we can have those installed as well. This Sienna is an LE model, however, it does have a leather and heated seats that have been added on the aftermarket. The Catskin brand is the leather, and it's actually what Chrysler, I believe, uses in their brand new vehicles. It's got a bucket seat there in the second row as well. There's a driver transfer seat. And from the driver, the controls for the driver transfer seat are right in the very front, so they're very convenient. Instead of having an extra cord and a hand controller separate, it's right integrated into the seat, which makes it nice and easy. I'm going to give you a demonstration on how this seat works and show you myself personally transferring into the seat and out of the seat. So this is, pardon the length of this video, but this is a very in-depth video which is going to show not only how to transfer into the seat and how to use that third row seat there, the flip and fold seat. Here's the transfer seat already back, all the way to the back, so you can see it's all the way back to the second row. This is the one-touch remote control power rear entry wheelchair accessible ramp that's deploying now. This van did not come with a power rear tailgate. However, with the Freedom Motors conversion, with that one remote control key fob, you're able to open the whole rear of the vehicle with one remote control, which is very convenient. You can show me getting in the back of this vehicle here, squeezing between the two seats. Now I've already got the transfer seat all the way back, so you can see what it entails to swivel the seat. You have to have that door open. The rear door needs to be open so it could get the full swivel action. So you can see, as I'm showing you here, the buttons in the front make it real easy to swivel back and forth and to travel forward and back. So you have two buttons there. So you swivel it over. I'll show you as I transfer from the wheelchair over into the driver transfer seat. Very simple. Very simple. And then once you're in the driver transfer seat, just the between your legs there, the buttons. One will make you go forward, one will swivel you around. Pretty cool stuff. This van's $29,995. It's only got 34,000 miles, very low mileage, dual power, sliding doors, automatic rear entry. You can be in a wheelchair, as I'm showing you, demonstrating. You can get in the back, get into this vehicle, transfer in the driver's seat, and take off virtually with no help whatsoever. You do have to strap your wheelchair into place so it's not moving around, but if you get an easy lock system, that makes it very simple to get in and out of your vehicle quickly and be on your way. So you can see as I'm showing the travel motion, the forward and reverse of the power transfer seat. Beautiful. This is a very nice van, $29,995. This is a great deal for something like this that has a third row. It has a power transfer seat. It's an automatic rear entry, wheelchair conversion. So I'll show you how you transfer back into the wheelchair from the power transfer seat. It's a good idea to keep that seat back so when you get back in, you can move forward. So once you're back in your wheelchair, just push of a button, you can get out. Just back up. They say it's important to focus on a point on the dash, so it makes it easier to back up smoothly. This particular model was kind of tight with this power chair. As you can see, the armrest there had to be pulled up in order to get the chair all the way up in the middle between the two chairs. So as I'm backing up here, you can see, super easy and simple. And just like that, back up down the ramp, hit a button or two to close up the vehicle and be on your way. Enjoy your day. Now I'm going to show you the third row seat, how the flip and fold, how you use this. Very simple. There's only a couple levers that you have to push or pull. There's a lock at the bottom here you have to unlock in order to flip the seat down. Then there's a lever here. You just push on the lever and then pull down on the seat. You could actually do it with one fluid motion with one hand if you're good. So pull down the lever, pull down the seat, just like that. Super easy. Easy peasy. And then there's a second lever to pull the seat upright as well. The back seat. Just like that, super easy. So you have the capability of 5 passengers traveling with you in this vehicle. Or traveling by yourself, transferring from your wheelchair. This is pretty awesome. Here at Freedom Motors, we've been in business for over 30 years. We have a huge selection of wheelchair accessible vehicles. This is just one of many. You can see here as I'm continuing to show you how to, and then once the seat's down, another same lever, just pull down on it. Now there, you need a little bit of tension to push down on the seat. It needs a little bit of tension to release that lever there to pop the seat back up. Just like that, super easy. Here at Freedom Motors, we've been in business for over 30 years. We have a huge selection of hundreds of wheelchair accessible vehicles, including vans, trucks, SUVs, crossovers. We have a huge selection, beautiful inventory. Check out our whole inventory at freedommotors.com. Give us a call, 1-800-625-6335 with any questions you may have. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video and have a great day.